You've made a talking head video that looks something like what you're watching right now. It's a head talking to the camera. But you're trying to read a script off of another screen and find your eyes wandering somewhere else, or you're just maybe thinking while you're talking and looking for the next words to say. Ideally, you want to be looking at the camera while you're recording, looking right at your viewer. But if things didn't work out that way during recording, Descript has a tool called eye contact that can rotate your eyeballs within their sockets during the editing process. Let's take a look. I am in the Descript web app and I have a project open. In the beginning of this video, it's just like right now, me talking to the screen. In fact, I've got the same jacket on. I'm only talking to the screen for about 5 seconds before I switch over into tutorial mode and show you my screen and start talking through what we're doing there. And that goes on that way until about the last minute of the video when I switch back to me on the full screen. Now, I'm not really worried about the eye contact issue when I've just got this little box here that I'm in and I'm really tiny on the screen, but there is a spot in this last minute that I'm on screen where I'm really not looking at the camera. I'm thinking and looking away, talking to the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and split this section into a separate scene. In my script, this is where I have the screen showing, and right after this is where I start with just me on the screen. To make this cleaner, let me go ahead and select all of this ignored text and delete it. And now to make this a new scene, I'm just going to click and put my cursor right here before this and then I'm going to click / and that has created a new scene there. So scene 1 is now everything from the beginning of the video all the way down to that last little minute. And to keep things nice and clean, I'll also go ahead and insert a scene up here when I switch from me talking, doing the intro into where we actually get to work. So I'll just add another / right there. And now I have 3 scenes. My first scene is me talking to the camera, telling you what we're going to do. Second scene is this whole big long section, about 10 minutes of us doing what we're going to do. And then my wrap up where I really want to focus on the eye contact. I'm just going to click on scene 3 to make sure that I'm in the right place. Then over on the far right, I'm going to click layer. I'll come down toward the bottom here where it says effects. I'll click the plus button and I'll click on eye contact. You'll see eye contact is added here. The toggle is turned on. Now, if I wanted to apply this across all scenes, or maybe my project only had one scene, I could apply it under the Underlord panel, which it's this second box here, the look good eye contact. But I didn't do that in this project because I really don't want it applied in the earlier scenes. I only want it in this section right here. And sure, if I turned it on for the whole thing, I could then go back and turn it off for those other scenes, but I figured let's get it where I want it the first time. I'm going to play this through so we can look at the difference, but I don't want to hear the audio from this video that we're editing. I've got my playhead here in this scene 3. My cursor up in the script is also in scene 3. These two are always lined up so that wherever you are in the script is also where you're at in the timeline. I'm going to come back over here to layer, and under this audio panel, I'll just hit the mute. Now we should be able to see what my eyeballs are doing. And it looks like I am absolutely looking at the screen. Now to give you a look at the difference, pay attention to my eyeballs there on the screen. Off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. We're coming up on a spot where I'm about to look away in this video. All right, let's see what eye contact did with that. So I'll turn it back on. And even though I'm moving my head, it's keeping my eyeballs straight on the camera. And that's it. Without any surgery, medical bills, or a teleprompter or anything like that, my eyeballs are rotated right to the front of my head. If you're not using Descript yet, there is a link in the description. Check it out. It is an affiliate link, which means if you end up making a purchase, I may receive a small commission. I sincerely appreciate it. This is how I feed my family. I got these teenagers at my house and they eat a lot. So thank you so much. Hey, I hope you found this video helpful and you'll come back and see me in the next one.